All right, I got some ammo that I loaded up, and I've been waiting to come and test it out. So I wanted to see what, put it on a chronograph and see what numbers we getting out of it. We're gonna be using this right here, PTR with the R9 suppressor. So I just wanted to see what numbers I got, what I'm getting out of this ammo. But this was some ammo I loaded myself. So we're gonna load this up real quick and then run it on a chronograph and see what we getting. $11.96, 12.11, 12.51, 12.34, 12.16, 12.35, 12.55, 12.55, 11.94, 11.88, 12.12, 12.28, 12.27, 12.14, air, 12.34, 12.55, 12.44, 12.02.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.